I'm Yvette from Energy Box. We are on the 20 and 21 SNEC show. We are at the Arctech booth where all the products are displayed. And today I have the great pleasure to talk to the General Manager of International Business from Arctech, Mr. Alan.
Hello everyone.
Hi Alan, welcome to the interview with our Energy Box. In recent years, more and more industries are chasing for the higher efficiency of lower production costs, and it may be a little bit difficult because of the current limited technologies. So my first question is there any possible way to reduce the LCOE in PV solar?
Thanks, David. Yes, indeed. The pursuit of lower LCOE it is an endless journey for all the stakeholders in the industry. There are two ways to do it. Either you reduce the cost, the CapEx and OpEx, or you increase the electricity generation volume in the entire lifetime of a solar project. So Arctech are focusing on the second way by utilizing the advanced solar tracker technologies in the ground-mounted solar farms. So according to our experiences, utilizing solar trackers can bring a 15 to 20% of generation gains, and which can bring which can draw 3 to 10% of LCOE in a lower stage. So actually, last year there are more than 40 gigawatts of solar trackers being shipped globally, and which means almost 40% of the ground-mounted structures of solar farms are using solar trackers. So this is the trend, and we are already seeing this trend happening in China. So starting from 2013, Arctech has invested in solar tracker technology innovation, and we have supported our clients globally for more than 8.8 gigawatt projects.
Thank you, Alan. So my second question is, what will be the main trend of the solar tracker technologies?
So we see three trends. The first one is the solar tracker is becoming smarter, right? The tier 1 solar tracker vendors like Arctech are integrated artificial intelligence hardware and softwares, and by using this AI function or the AI algorithm, so we're expecting to have a generation gain up to 7%. So the second trend, or we can see the second part, it is the reliability enhancements on the structure design. So for example, currently our product SkySmart 2, which you are seeing just behind you, it is utilizing this revolutionary structure design, which allows the structure to be safe in a higher wind speed, while we still able to optimize the structure cost. So this is the second part. So the third part is the combination of different devices to achieve the best efficiency as an entire ecosystem. For example, Arctech solar tracker can combine the clean robots. Not simply put the robots on the tracker, but the robots can be controlled, monitored, operated, and maintained by using the AI logic through the tracker. So by doing this combination, we can definitely reach a better LCOE. So this is one of the trends as well.
Okay, thanks Alan, good sharing. My next question is, what is the biggest challenge that utilized solar tracker facing in a large-scale project?
Well, one of the largest challenge we faced, it is underground, the soil condition. So we had experiences. Many of the projects face challenged soil, for example, a rocky soil or the groundwater layer, so which delays the entire structure, entire project schedule. So we will suggest our EPC contractor to do a pull-out test, or we call it POT test, at site, so that we can get more accurate testing results to design the right foundations. And currently, Arctech is able to provide these POT services globally in many countries so that we can help our clients to control this economic risk during the construction stage.
Okay, thank you, Alan. And last but not least, to what extent the uncertainties caused by COVID-19 are going to impact the scheduling of those recently renewable projects?
Talking about the COVID-19, actually, the first half of 2020, right? There's the big impact because of the movement resistance, the business closure, and the lockdown. Definitely impact a lot of industries, and also the power consumption is also reduced. But starting from the second half of 2020, you will see that the renewable energy resilience, I show its power. If you look at the auctions, actually it is reaching a kind of the record-breaking number. If you look at all the solar auction results. And this year you will see many of the utility scale projects are on hold or delayed. But it's definitely not because of the COVID-19. It is because of the solar industry supply chain cost, especially the silicon material cost. So this uncertainty of the material costs are so large, and which even some of the central government-owned projects are getting delayed. Even when they are ready to accept a lower IRR for their projects, but still they cannot move. So because of the majority of the supply chain are in China for the solar industry, so not only China projects get delayed. So for European projects in Middle East, in Asia Pacific, so literally the entire world, globally, all the utility scale solar farms are on hold. So we hope and we expect some policies can be released very soon, which can help the silicon material price back on the right track. So that's, but we're still very positive about the entire industry, and we're expecting that the 150 to 160 gigawatts of installation can be achieved in 2021.
Okay, thank you, Alan.
Thanks for your time, Yvette, as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.